Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cinerai Lifestyle. Today I'll take you on a journey. But to where? Stay tuned and take a look with me. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I want to take you on my Coolcation visit to DisneySea. For today's Coolcation visit, I'll bring you to the places we visited, foods we ate, and the rides we experienced. We will end with our stay at the Hyatt Regency Tokyo Bay. DisneySea is great around this time of the year due to the more mild weather and autumnal decorations. I purchased my ticket to DisneySea off a site called Klook for 9,800 yen, which is about average for a Saturday visit. Since we arrived at around 12:30, there were no long lines waiting to get into the park. DisneySea has 7 ports that you can visit. Right now, we are at the Mediterranean Harbor, which is the first port right after the entrance. Mediterranean Harbor has many Italian-themed restaurants and a gondola ride attraction. Wait time for the gondola ride ranges from 5 to 45 minutes. It would take you around Mediterranean Harbor and back. These are real boats and not powered by an engine beneath. Gondoliers have to be trained in order to maneuver the boat. The duration of the ride is around 11.5 minutes, and gondoliers typically speak Japanese and Italian, or rather a mix of both. I've been told that the best time to ride the gondolas is in the evening during the sunset. After Mediterranean Harbor, we moved on over to the American Waterfront. Popular attractions include the Tower of Terror, a massive ship called the SS Columbia, and the Toy Story ride at Toyville. Before eating, we will head to Barnacle Bill's for a cup of beer and sausage stick. I made it one of my goals to only eat at locations that serve beer. However, that goal was cut pretty short, and you will see why later in this video. It's funny how cost does not translate to quality, especially at Disney. I made reservations for Sakura at 1:10 p.m. Reservations are possible through the Disney app or the park's online reservation service. Now you might be wondering, why is there a Japanese restaurant at the American Waterfront? That's because Restaurant Sakura is inspired by a fictional narrative centered around Japanese immigrants in early 20th century New York. I ordered a set menu which came with katsu, salmon, rice, soup, and some sort of egg tofu dish. I also ordered beer on the side. My wife also ordered the clam chowder. As is the case of many table service restaurants, each dish is prepared fresh upon ordering. Due to the made-to-order approach, you should anticipate a slightly longer wait time for your meals. After lunch, we headed to Port Discovery. Port Discovery is inspired by early 20th century science fiction. At Aquatopia, you can board a watercraft for a whirling ride of unexpected turns. There are actually 2 sections to Aquatopia. The left side of Aquatopia has a lower chance of getting wet as compared to the right. This time, we chose the right side. Fun fact, Aquatopia is a trackless water ride, meaning the vehicles move freely on the water without rails. Before leaving, we decided to try Port Discovery's soy butter popcorn. I know exactly what you're thinking. Biases aside, it was not too bad. It had a heavy artificial butter flavor made a little sticky by the soy flavorant. And now we're at Fantasy Springs, which is the newest section at DisneySea. The expansion costed over $2 billion USD. And yes, we did ride Tinkerbell's busy buggies. We are adults in DisneySea, but sometimes we can also be kids. Truth be told, it was one of the most boring rides I've ever ridden at DisneySea. Never again. Unfortunately, the Rapunzel ride was closed, so we decided to ride on Peter Pan's Neverland Adventure. This ride takes you on a journey with Peter Pan, Tinkerbell, and the Lost Kids on a journey through Neverland to rescue John from Captain Hook and his band of pirates. And now we're here at the Arabian Coast. The main attractions here include Sinbad's Storybook Voyage and Caravan Carousel. There are also many restaurants and cafes with Arabian-themed decor. At Sultan's Oasis, you can order curry rice with options like chicken or beef. Today I chose the spicy beef curry with a side of tandoori chicken. We then traversed back to the Lost River Delta area. At the Lost River Cookhouse, I ordered a spicy smoked chicken leg and a platter at the Yucatan-based grill. We are back near Mediterranean Harbor. Unfortunately today, Magellan's, the most popular restaurant here, was closed. On a busy day, reservations at Magellan typically closes by the early morning. So instead, we stopped at Refresco's for beer and a turkey leg. Disney is notorious for their turkey legs, and they certainly didn't disappoint. Before taking the train from Port Discovery to the American Waterfront, we stopped by Breezeway Bites for a pizza turnover. As you can guess it, the crust to filling ratio was a bit off. And there you have it. Today was my DisneySea Coolcation adult trip. Some rides were closed today, including Indiana Jones and the new Rapunzel ride, two pretty major attractions. Luckily, the weather wasn't too bad, and as an adult, I really appreciated that DisneySea had plenty of beer stalls and restaurants that serve beer. Overall, I give today's DisneySea trip a solid 3.5 out of 5 stars. If I could do it again, I'd start on the right side, head through the Arabian Coast, work my way up to Fantasy Springs, and finish the day at the American Waterfront. That's usually our go-to route. Right now, we're getting ready to head over to the Hyatt Regency Tokyo Bay. The bus will pick us up at the south entrance, and it should take 25 minutes to get there. I'll see you then. For today's stay, I decided to use my free night certificate. Room 833 is a standard room with a king-sized bed. The room features a simple layout. It features a TV area, a cozy living space with a sofa, and a king-size bed dressed in crisp white sheets. The room can fit 2 adults, or 2 adults and 1 child for 3 people. The bed area comes with night lights and convenient sockets for charging your devices. Light control panels are also located here. Underneath the TV are more storage space and pamphlets containing information about the hotel. You can also cast your device directly to the TV. Next to the TV is a small table and chair. Room service is available, and the nearest convenience store is a 7-minute walk across the street. The room is designed to evoke the feeling of the sea, featuring soothing blue tones and dark brown wood accents around the room. Compared to other Japanese hotels like Mitsui Garden, the Hyatt Regency felt noticeably more spacious and Western designed. The bar area doesn't have any drinks, but it is equipped with a coffee machine, coffee and tea capsules, cups, and other dining essentials. All guests are also given free bottles of water. Speaking of water, if you ever need snacks or other beverages, the Hyatt lobby has a small marketplace. Options are limited, so your best bet is to head over to the convenience store located at the suites across the street. The Hyatt Regency Tokyo Bay also participates in Hyatt's global sustainability initiative called the World of Care program. As I mentioned earlier, room service is available. I would say there are more Japanese options in fusion dishes. Room service is available until 11:59 p.m. Like any other hotel in Japan, the Regency also includes pajamas for guests to borrow. Alright, let's take a look at the bathroom. The bathroom contains marble, granite, and wooden finishings. First, let's look at the enclosed shower area. It contains a bathtub and standing shower space. The bathtub is big enough to fit one person and does not include other amenities. The shower space itself includes both a regular and ceiling-mounted shower head. There is also shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And lastly, the sink area contains a few amenities as well as towels. More amenities can be ordered through the Hyatt application and delivered to your room. Unfortunately, there are not many restaurants outside of the Hyatt, so instead we took the bus to the train station. From there, walked 15 minutes to an all-you-can-drink izakaya. The all-you-can-drink option is around 1,350 yen a person. A la carte options include skewers, fish, and other popular Japanese-style bar meals. Alright, good morning everyone. Yesterday we landed at Haneda Airport, spent the day at DisneySea, and had dinner at an izakaya. Today we're planning on heading to Ginza. There we will spend a few days traveling around the area and then head back to Korea. Our stay at the Tokyo Hyatt Regency Bay was brief. If it was not for a DisneySea trip, we would probably never stay at the Regency since it is so far away from the center of Tokyo. Right now, we're on our way to Ginza. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.